Welcome to this overview of the Epson EcoTank ET2814. As with all our tech stuff videos, this is a short, snappy look at what's great about this product. And the big standout straight away is that instead of using traditional ink cartridges, this uses Epson's innovative refill ink tanks and delivers savings on print costs of up to 90%. Incredibly, you actually get 3 years worth of mess-free ink refills in the box, the equivalent of up to 72 ink cartridges. And it's packed with features. As well as colour inkjet printing at up to 10 pages per minute, you can also copy or scan using the flatbed scanner. With Wi-Fi connectivity, it's easy to connect to your home computer or other devices, plus you can quickly set up and control everything from your smartphone or tablet using the Epson Smart Panel app. So, the Epson EcoTank ET2814 is a high-quality, ultra-low-cost flatbed multifunction printer that's just perfect for a modern busy household.